children, welcome to your Thursday maths lesson. Today we are going to do a little bit more work on equivalent fractions, and we are going to confidently represent equivalent fractions. So even if you found yesterday's a bit tricky, today you're going to practice it a little bit more. Okay, so to begin with, we are going to count in sevens, okay? I want you to write it down, say it out loud, say it in French, whatever you want to do, just practice it. Okay, but then, just like we did yesterday, I want you to start by starting, that was tricky to say, on the number 3 instead of 0. That is going to be really tricky, so you might want to write that down, but you guys can do it. And I want you to think about this question. What is 7 squared? So, I'm pretty sure you'll all know that a squared number is when you times a number by itself, so it would be this, calculations. Which I'm sure you're all shouting at your laptops is 49. Well done if you knew that. Good job. Okay, so what is an equivalent fraction? So equivalent fractions have the same value even though they might look different. Okay, they are fractions that name the same amount or part. So here we go. 1/2, you can see, is the same as 2/4, which is the same as 4/8. Okay, so actually let's write this out. Okay, so just like we were doing yesterday, what do you do to 2 to get 4? You times it by 2. And what do you do to 1 to get 2? You times it by 2. It's the same. You do the same to the numerator and the same to the denominator. Easy peasy. And what about to get from 2 to 4? Again, you times it by 2. And to get from 4 to 8, you times it by 2. They're equivalents. They're the same amount of stuff. They're just written differently. Okay, so here is a number. 4/6. I want you to write any equivalent number you can think of to 4/6. Pause the video, off you go. Okay, welcome back. Let's have a look and see what we're going to do. Do you know what? We're going to go absolutely crazy here. We're not going to times by 2. We're going to divide by 2. Crazy. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 2/3 is going to be the same as 4/6. Easy. But there's loads of equivalent fractions we can do. We don't have to stop there. We can also times by anything you like. We can times by 10. So we can have 40/60. It's the same. As long as you times the numerator and denominator by the same number, you'll get an equivalent fraction. How easy is that? Now let's do a really fun one. Let's times it by... let's do 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4, 8, 12. And 6 times 3 is 18. So again, 12/18 is going to be the same. They're all equivalent. Lovely. Oh, 8/9. How lovely. This one we are going to times by, let's do
7.
2.
Oh.
7? All right, let's do it. Love the 7s. All right. 7 times 8 is, everybody, 56. And 7 times 9 is 63. So 8/9 of equivalent fraction is 56. 63 is probably not the most simple fraction we could do, but all good fun. There we go. Oh, children, this one, that sneaky little bit of information at the bottom says, what is the lowest equivalent fraction you can make from this? Oh, so what are we going to do? We could divide by 2. Let's try it. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 18 divided by 2 is... what is it, guys? 9. Hopefully we all got that. Fabulous. So, can we get it smaller? Yes, we can. Do you know what we're going to do now here? We've got 3/9. Just for fun, let's get this one smaller. We can divide it by what, children? We're going to divide it by 3. I keep picking a really bad hard places to write that, didn't I? So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, so 6 18ths is the same as 1/3. I don't think we're going to get much smaller than that. So let's leave it there. Alright, so we've got some lovely questions to work through here. Shade the bar models to complete the equivalent fractions. Okay, so here we've got 1/2, shade, 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 is the same as how many 12ths? So we can use this to help us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be the same as 6/12. So can you see here, we've times the top number by 6, and we've times the bottom number by 6. Simples. Okay, next, 1/3, shade, 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 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4 12ths. So this time we have times by 4. Okay, and the last one, we've got 1/6. Is this, oh, that's the rubber. Shade is the same as how many 12ths? 2 12ths. We've times by 2. Lovely. Okay, my lovelies, what you're going to do now is you're going to have a go at your activity sheets. Okay, so pause the video and off you go. All right, before you do that, just a quick message from me. There won't be a video for tomorrow because I've set you some fabulous mathletics activities, but well done on a super fabulous term of maths.